Civilization does not collapse because of ideas. It collapses because of energy. Every phase of human development is defined by how much usable energy it can reliably access. Agriculture was an energy system. Industry was an energy system. Digital civilization is an energy system. And planetary survival is no different. Right now, Earth is not facing an environmental crisis. It is facing an energy mismatch. We are consuming energy in ways that destabilize planetary systems, while failing to deploy energy in ways that stabilize them. Carbon is not the enemy. Carbon is a carrier. It is stored energy. The problem is not carbon's existence, but how fast we extract it, how inefficiently we burn it, and how poorly we reintegrate it back into planetary cycles. Every natural system on Earth already knows how to handle carbon. Forests, oceans, soils, and microbial life evolved to manage far higher carbon concentrations than today. What they cannot handle is asymmetry, extraction without restoration. This is why energy policy cannot be separated from ecological policy. If energy generation destabilizes climate, it must be relocated, redesigned, or removed from sensitive systems. This is not ideology. This is systems engineering. The most fragile component of Earth is not the atmosphere. It is the biosphere's ability to keep pace with human energy release. When energy output exceeds biological absorption capacity, instability follows. This is why restoration is not about reducing energy use. It is about redirecting energy production away from Earth's surface systems and amplifying Earth's absorption systems at scale. Heavy industry does not belong in fragile ecosystems. It belongs off-world or in controlled environments that do not leak entropy into planetary systems. This is not futurism, it is containment. Earth must become a managed ecological reserve, not a production site for raw industrial throughput. When civilization treats its home planet as an extraction zone, collapse is guaranteed. Energy must be abundant, clean, and relocatable. Solar in orbit, industry on the moon, restoration on Earth. These are not separate projects, they are one system. Until humanity aligns its energy systems with planetary limits, no political solution will hold. No treaty will last. No regulation will succeed. Energy determines civilization, and the way we use it now determines whether Earth remains habitable.